Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see Last of Us Part 1 Boost FPS for low-end PC. I'll show you guys how to do it. Open up Chrome and search Last of Us Part 1 Boost FPS and press enter. Scroll down and you will get the Nexus Mods site. Select it. Just scroll down, go to Files, click on the drop down over here and select the manual download option. Select the slow download option. If you are new to this site, then you will be redirected to a login page. You just need to log into this account, guys. If you doesn't have an account, then select the register option and create a new account. After that, select the slow download option and it will be downloads done. And select this folder icon, right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select extract to. After getting extracted done, just double click on the extracted folder and make this on the left side. On right side, make a new one. Then go to C drive, username. If you don't know the username, then select the start icon. Here you can able to see your username. After that, double click on it and then saved games folder, Last of Us Part 1 folder. You just need to drag and drop this graphics settings in here. Select the replace the file in the destination. And now go to users folder, random numbers, and copy this screeninfo.cfg and paste it in another location wherever you want to take a backup. After taking this backup, just need to right click on it and select open with and select notepad and copy this device ID, guys. Copy this device ID and then drag and drop this screeninfo.cfg in the location and replace the file in the destination. Right click on the screeninfo.cfg and select properties and check this read only and select apply and OK. Right click and select open with and select notepad. In device ID, you just need to paste the ID we copied. Then select file and select save option. After saving it, just close off here and right click on the screen info and select properties. Check this read only option so that the settings won't need be changed. And then just close off here and launch the game. In the modder case, he got 7 FPS on 1050 Ti graphics card. This varies depends on your PC specs. So you can enjoy the game, guys. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.